Hi, I'm Jackie from MBR 888 Travel and Tours, one of the tour facilitator. Ang MBR 888 Travel and Tours, nagbibigay siya ng magandang service sa mga bawat client na kinikater namin. Gumagawa kami ng magandang plano kung paano nila ito may enjoy. At the same time, ang bawat pinupuntahan namin, nagkakaroon sila ng magandang bagong kaalaman, idea, and enjoyment. Ang goal namin is uuwi silang safe and enjoy.
Good afternoon po from City of Caloocan, Social Welfare Department, CCSWD. Ako po si Ma'am Milet Reyes ng St. Jude Child Development Center. Ngayon pong araw na to ang aming field trip. Ang masasabi ko po sa MBR company, maganda ang serbisyo. At lahat po ng tourist guide, hindi lamang po yung nasa aming bus, very accommodating po sila.
Sa MBR 888 Travel and Tours, your travel is just an instant away!
The Enchanted Kingdom Circle of Artists are waiting for you at Portobello. Catch them in a few minutes.